Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia, and today we are going to make a cute little greeting card together. And this is for a card swap group that I'm in on Facebook. It's called JW Card Swap. And the beginner's card is to make a card with a pocket. So any kind of a pocket. And I'm going to make it easy and just use, make an envelope, small envelope, and put it on the front of it. So let's get out the envelope punch board and the papers and let's get started. All right. Next, I'm going to glue down this envelope. And I need to clean it up. Okay. All right, so we have step 1. You've got your card base. Step 2, make your miniature envelope to fit the front of the card base. Step 3, now decide what you want to come out of the envelope and start embellishing it into your little heart's content. Just going to sprinkle the flowers in a random order. Okay, now as a background piece, let me see if I can. I wish I would have had one more yellow. Alright, let me look through the stash. What is gonna be pretty and make that stand out? I don't know, let's just try different things and see what looks good. Not liking that. All right. It's going to have to be something that gives it a certain flair. Okay, I like that. That I like. All right. There's no right or wrong about this. It's just going with the flow. put that one there because I'm going to put something inside. That needs to come out, but something's not right with this. Okay. I don't like the two yellows next to each other. Okay. That's a little better. Bring this one down a wee bit. Over there a wee bit. Okay, now. I'm not sure if these are going to go or not, but we're just going to play around and see what might work. Just not really sure. I'm just going with it and see. Well, let me know if it's the right feel or not. Too much green. My idea with this is just to embellish, 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 okay? I've never made one of these before, so I'm just gonna have fun with it. I'm just absolutely, there's not gonna be any really rules and no real, you know, worry about structure. I'm just really wanting to have fun with it. Okay, so I like that. Got to keep in mind now, I want to put something in this pocket. So I don't want these to get too close to where it's going to be hard to get out. Slide it, whatever it is I'm going to do. Okay, I like that. Now, let me think about this butterfly thing. Let me cut it, and then I can decide if I'm going to place it on there. Let me see. What I'm thinking is I want to put the butterfly here. And then maybe those can be... Okay, let me get the good scissors. There we go. Okay, so this is what I have so far. It's just something fun and original. I need something here. I want something here, but these are not it. Something has to go there. Ah, my vintage buttons. Yes, I will go into the vintage button stash. Okay, so I'm not going to glue anything down yet. I'm waiting until I get everything on here, and then when I realize, get it to where it's like, yes, happy with that, then the buttons are going to go here, and then I will decide what's going to go inside the little pocket, and then we'll work on the inside. And I'm thinking I'm thinking I might do some kind of a border, but it's probably too late for that because I've already glued this down. Well, I'll make a couple of different ones and then I'll see which one I like the most out of that. And this butterfly, it's hard to see which side is the side you should put. I guess this is, okay. And then I'm going to bring in some of the flat back gems. Okay, and let's see, what do I want? Let me see. That's pretty. I mean, I can absolutely pick whatever color. Too blah. It blended in too much. Let's go with just a clear. That's probably going to be the one because I don't want it to fight with any of the other stuff. Okay, so that's going to be the one. Okay, so this is what I wound up with. So I had this roll of small rosettes. I didn't like the card embellishments after I had put the fabric and embellishment down here, and this is more like a felt kind of a flower, and then I covered the center one here with the confetti cut pieces of fabric, and then the little rosettes, and then a butterfly, wooden butterfly button on the top there. And once it's all dried, because I just glued these into place, I'm going to ink the whole edge of the card. I may round the corners. And on a sad note, my son-in-law's father died today, and he had a channel here on YouTube. It was Art Tree Watercolor, and so if you could please visit their channel and give your condolences to the family, or here on my channel, I would really appreciate that. Definitely death is our enemy, as the Bible says, and it's painful. So I'm going to be making a card for the family as well. And for everyone else out there feeling pain for the loss of a loved one, or you're going through difficult times, keeping you in my prayers. Better days are coming. So thankfully we have the hope that is put in the Bible for us. So I'm looking forward to seeing him again here on a beautiful paradise earth as God promises. So I'm going to end on that note, and I'm going to say stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.